Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken and biscuit casserole. This is a really old recipe, but I served it for Randy one day last week, and I asked him today what he wanted, and he said, I want you to make that chicken and biscuit casserole again. So, since he enjoyed it that much, I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It is so easy. And I'll tell you how to also make it where it's even easier. Anyway, this recipe comes from one of those really old church cookbooks that I told you about. And it is so easy. But the original recipe tells you to use cream of chicken soup. I'm not a big fan of cream of anything, so I'm going to show you how to make real cream of chicken soup to put in my casserole. But if you want to skip that step, that's absolutely fine. You can use a can of cream of chicken soup. But we're going to get started. We're going to make some soup. Okay, so the first thing you got to do to make it my way is to make you some soup. So we need to get the stove lit. And we're just going to go for a medium heat. Y'all know I don't use high very often unless I'm boiling something. Get it to medium heat. Let that pan get nice and hot. We want that pan nice and hot. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to make the soup, you need a roux. I'm going to take about 2 good tablespoons of butter, and we're going to get that melted in that already heated pan. And we're going to take and get about a 1/4 of a cup of flour, and we're just going to drop that flour in there. And then we're going to take a gravy whisk, and we're going to whisk that. Until it doesn't taste like flour anymore. And you're going to continuously whisk. You're not going to walk off and leave it. You're going to whisk it. And then we're going to slowly start adding little half and half till I get enough to make a couple of cups of cream of soup. And you're going to slowly do that too. You don't want any lumps. Now we're going to switch to milk. Put a little milk in there while we continue to stir. Now we have our base for our cream of soup. Now we're going to take a good sized can of chicken, juice and all of it goes in the pot. And I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. And we're going to give all of that a good whisk. I'm going to break up that chicken a little bit. I'm going to add a little pepper. About maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Going to give that a good stir. Now your cream of chicken is done. 2 cans of cream and chicken soup in 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our mixed vegetables. I'm going to use 2 bags of mixed vegetables. And we're just going to drop that right on in there. Now, if you don't have frozen mixed vegetables, 2 cans out of your cupboard works just fine. As long as you have that amount of veggies, you're good. Okay, now we're going to turn this off now. And let that sit while we make our biscuit dough for the top. Right now for your biscuit dough, you're going to need 1 cup of self-rising flour. One whole stick of melted butter. And we're going to cut that in. And then we need 1 cup of milk. I'm going to give that a little stir. Now our biscuit dough is made. Now we're going to take, I'm using an 8x11, but you can absolutely use a 9x13. And I'm going to take and rub a little butter. Where'd my butter go? There it is. I'm going to rub a little bit of butter. Around this pan. Just like that. Now we're going to pour our chicken pot pie into the bottom. Now I'm just going to pour that batter with a spoon. Just like that. All the way across the top. Now all I need to do is put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Now check it at 35, because if your biscuits are done It's done. Absolutely perfect, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I know it'll be hard to do, but y'all need to just let it sit there just a few minutes because it is still bubbling all around, and I don't want you to burn yourself. Right? And you want to make sure everybody gets a biscuit. Set that right on top. Taste test time.
We've got to have the salt and pepper, and I'm glad I don't have to work so hard to do this. That is going to work. I love that biscuit on the top.
Yeah, it's a really buttery biscuit, and it is so good. It's hot. I just took it out of the oven. I only let it set a few minutes.
Well, if you wouldn't starve me all day long where I wouldn't be worried about getting it in my mouth, I wouldn't be in a hurry.
Yeah, I know.
So, anyway. Yep, guys. It's a keeper. Y'all have a good one. Talk at you later.
Bye.